Hey, Poochie. Well, he woke me up again, as usual. And he got a new toy. It's not actually a dog toy. But he's so gentle with it. It's his little baby. He's the smartest dog I know. What's this? Wait, let me see. Let everybody see the face. And this is a finger puppet. And he loves it. I know, hold on. He won't let me. Okay, wait, easy. He's easy to, he came trained, I think. I didn't even train him. It's just natural. But if you don't have a French Bulldog, you need to get one. They're the best. We plan on breeding him with another French Bulldog because his personality is almost like a human. If he could only talk, it would be, let's show people here. Come here. Before it gets destroyed. Wait. Easy. Stay. Good boy. And that's it. Just a little finger puppet. It's really cute. I don't know if it'll stay that way. But Poochie, sit. Sit. Good boy. Gonna be nice to the baby? Huh? Oh, you're attacking me now. Stay. Sit. Easy. He's got cute like a little baby. Oh, he looks stretching out. Poochie. His brother's sleeping in the background. Noodles. He's 11. He doesn't care. Poochie. What is it? Let me see. Give me that. That's a good boy. Cha, cha, cha. Don't you know that I love you? Cha, 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 cha. Poochie. Well, he's busy. Ciao for now. Yeah.